but hear me now. Just clean your belly, you know. Clean your bloodstream, uplift a man, make a man feel nice and happy.
Okay.
Normally they call it happy wine, you know. Because a fine wine for a man and a woman. See, and make you feel good. This will make your woman run left. This make you stay good in your house.
Alright.
This make your wife never make you feel embarrassed.
Yeah.
See, this is a man. This is a man. 17 caliber wine.
17 caliber.
17 caliber roots wine. See?
Okay.
You know, this is a original Noni.
Yeah.
I know Jamaican people does know enough about Noni. But this Noni, it's known as the manjake, you know. These are the manjake tree. And you know the manjake is the one who bring back the man nature.
Okay.
Yeah, he's bring back the nature. But apart from that, it's a good immune system builder. And protection is a shield also. See the greatness of a jackfruit wine. It burn a cancer cell, good for thyroid, immune system and all these things. You have a thing when they call them human and chemo. It's a chemotherapy. I bet my life on you. I'm afraid of jackfruit, you know.
Okay, okay.
Because what happen now? Chemo is a man where keep the blood like a crazy glue. It freeze you. It just that's why you see plenty of women have fiber.
Yeah.
And the fiber, if you're drinking jackfruit wine, you're not supposed to have any fiber in it. Because you're getting a regular detox and the bloodstream being free because the jackfruit is a thing where they have 1,000 a year. But unfortunately, Jamaica people just realize that the top medicine of the whole world, man. Because they have it all along. They have it all along.
So tell me something, you have something for the blood?
We have the one in here, neem body cleanser. I know you hear about the neem. See, but we make a combination with the neem and the rice bitters. You see this? It's a proper detox. We do two times daily, 2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons. Okay.
Or 2 tablespoons for big people, small people, 2 teaspoons. See, daily. See, this detox now, what it does now, it's clean out nucleus, coal, gas, etc. See, that means they keep your bloodstream clean.
Yes.
See, and if you can't breathe properly, you take a shot of this bitters. See, if you get an instant coughing, you take a shot of this bitters.
Yeah.
See, so everything is all about the immune system, you know. Because you have to balance that immune system and keep it strong, you know.
Right.
So by the time you have a strong immune system, you could go along, you know. All right.